It is essential that you have a plan to safely reopen your facility during the COVID-19 pandemic. The employees and occupants of your building are experiencing the same fears about COVID-19 as the rest of the world. But you can alleviate some of those fears by taking proactive action and verifying those actions with quality control testing. After cleaning and disinfecting, it is important to test to verify that surfaces have been adequately addressed. Surface testing can reveal the amount of bacteria that comes from a human source. It can also show if genetic material from the virus is present. Sharing the results from consistent testing will calm fears and limit or prevent any future liability. Call us today with your questions about our specialized cleaning protocol and surface testing service.